Now, a good starting point is that you might find it helpful to see if your own organization could use an infusion of courage. So here's 3 quick signs that you can tell whether your organization, in fact, needs an engagement infusion of courage. The first is, in your organization, does CYA rule the day? Do people spend an inordinate amount of time covering their butts or providing proof that they're really doing their work, such as when even a mundane email has like 100 people on the CC list? Look, I did my work. Look at me, right? Or do you work in an organization where bean counters have more clout than innovators? In organizations where you have the financial acumen valued above creativity and imagination, a lot of times all the decisions are driven solely by the numbers versus what's in the long-term interests of the organization. And a lot of times when the senior executives have a disproportionate amount of executives who come from a finance and accounting background, a lot of the decisions are made solely by the numbers. And oftentimes it imbues the culture so that it becomes rationalistic, hyper-analytic, and often risk-averse. And then thirdly, do you work in an organization where even smart mistakes get punished? And then people start to adopt a play it safe at all costs sort of mentality. Or they start blaming others when they make a mistake. So these are the kinds of things that start to indicate whether an organization could indeed use an infusion of courage.